Hi everyone. So I have today with me newest vacuum cleaner launched from Ecovacs, which is Ecovacs Deebot N20 Pro. The earlier version was Ecovacs Y1 Pro, but this model recently came in India, which has online price of almost 50,000 plus. But usually in this flash sale, or we can say the Great Indian Festival or Big Billion Day sale, we are getting below 30,000. So few days back I have purchased it and I have received this model today. Today we'll be doing unboxing of this, and then the guy from the Ecovacs who came, he will be explaining the basic working and the demo of this product. So as you can see, this is the Ecovacs N22 Pro, which is in white color. With this in the box, we receive additional some mopping cloth, and there is one dummy mopping attachment comes along with it. This is the vibrating mopping attachment. So let me explain about the features it has. So if I compare with the Y1 Pro, this has a little bit more suction capacity, which is 8000 PA, which gives it powerful suction, and it has 400 ml dustbin. uh, I think that is almost same with the Y1 Pro, but the water capacity is little bit less than the Y1 Pro. So it gives more suction, and it has a vibrating mopping system, which Y1 Pro did not have. And it has basically true mapping technology, which will help guide the robot for the cleaning. It has also a voice control system and 300 minutes of runtime. And through Ecovacs Home app, you can control this robot. So in this part, we will be only going over the unboxing and the basic working of this, or we can say the demo of this product. In the next part, we'll be going over the overall how to connect this robot and the workings end to end. Right. So this guy will help us. He is Prameh from Ecovacs, and he will be exploring all those details.
For the Ecovacs in India. So we provide the sales, service and support throughout the India for this Ecovacs brand.
If I take this to anywhere else, you will provide on-door service.
Yes. If you are in a region place in all over India, so that you will able to get a service regarding to this Ecovacs product. And we are dealing with like 20 to 25 types of brands, sir. In that Ecovacs is one of them. And coming to this, it is a Deebot N20 Pro. So in this, sir, it is a dust tank. So we have to empty the dust by opening this cap, and then, sir, it is a filter. So while using the Deebot, you may see the you will find the dust, which fine dust, which is in this filter. We need to clean this with any dry brush, like let's say soft brush, and also you can able to tap on the surface like this to empty the dust. But we don't have to wash this filter, sir. And after
Only dry wash.
Yeah, only dry wash. Dry clean, sorry.
Dry clean. Okay.
And after removing this filter, sir, you can able to wash this dust compartment if you feel it is dirty or like any smell is coming from this tank. But the thing is, after it getting dry, then only we have to reinstall these filters again to the filter. This dust tank.
So no water should come to the filter.
Yes, exactly.
Now, how much time it takes to like filter to get replaced?
I'll explain. Like there will be an indication for you in the application. According to that, we need to replace it. And coming to here, so it is a side brush. So we need to press like this. It will be fixed. So in this side brush, sir,
this is touching to the.
No, it won't cause any issue. So basically, sir, in this side brush, we may see the triangle of hairs and threads. So if you are finding them, just to try to hold any of two legs and just pull. It will come outside. So that, sir, we need to clean those hairs and threads which is got tangled to this brush. And sir, it is main brush, so we need to press these two locks to open, and then we can able to open this main brush. So basically, sir, it is an like anti-tangle nice fill also there, so that it will cut those edges like hairs and also everything. And 98% accuracy it will do, but sometimes you may see one or two hairs to this main brush. We need to at least clean them by opening this.
So this is being used for cleaning or
Yes, yes, it is used for sweeping, sir.
sweeping?
Yeah.
This
It
is
is also. It is from corners.
in Y1 Pro also both are there, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
And then, sir, these are wheels. So in these wheels, also, sir, you may see the tangle of hairs and threads. If you find them, just use your hand to remove them.
Okay.
And next, sir, these are sensors 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these sensors are called as anti-drop sensors. So it will prevent the Deebot to fall whenever it is detecting some steps or depth.
Okay.
And also, while using regularly, there will be a dust which will be formed on the sensor. So we need to clean them.
Okay.
And then, sir, it is bumper. So there are sensors 1, 2, and 3. So we need to clean these sensors also, like any tricloth. And next, sir, it is LDS sensor, which is basically used for mapping. So we need to clean this sensor. And if possible, you can able to clean these 2 holes, right? Inside there are 2 holes.
Yes.
So we need to clean with earbud,
Okay.
dry earbud only. So at least once in a week, we need to clean all these brushes, wheels, and also the sensors. And then, sir, there are 3 operations on the panel of the Deebot. The middle one is the main like power on off button. If you press for 3 seconds, the power will on, and if you press for 3 seconds, the power will off.
Okay.
And by using this button, you can able to operate it. If you give a single press, the Deebot will start doing cleaning.
Okay.
And if I give a single press while doing cleaning, it will pause.
Okay.
And if I press again, it will resume.
Okay.
And then, sir, it is a spot cleaning button. So if I press this, so the Deebot will start doing cleaning in a small place, like let's say 1 meter or 2 meter square area. If you want to clean manually, so then you can able to leave the Deebot and place somewhere wherever the cleaning you require. Then just click it, so that, sir, the particular area will be cleaned, like 1 or 2 meter square area. Next, sir, it is return to station. If you click this, so the Deebot will return to its station.
Okay, to the charger.
Yeah, exactly. And also there is some charging terminals and also the sensors. So we need to clean these also.
Okay.
Yeah. And as I said, we need to clean this dust filter, right, sir? So we need to clean at least thrice, 3 times or 4 times in a week.
3 times, 4 times.
Yeah.
That is too much, right?
Yeah, like which means whenever you are emptying the dust, right, automatically you will empty the dust daily. So at the time, just try to clean the filter, so it will be fine. In one go, like dust emptying and also the cleaning of filter will be done. And then, sir, so there are 2 tanks, which is a dummy tank and it is a water tank and plus vibrating module.
Okay.
So this dummy tank is used to, like, whenever you are using only for cleaning or vacuuming, then you have to use this tank
Okay.
for weight management.
In other models, they need to remove it, right, before mop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, sir, it is used for mopping. It is used for cleaning. So whenever you are doing cleaning, just use this tank.
Okay. Without both of them, no cleaning will happen.
No. It will happen, sir. But somewhat it will be difficult to reach the charging dock.
Okay.
Whenever if it is lifting like this or some alignment be displacement. So that's why we need to place this dummy tank.
Okay.
When we are not using mopping, only for using vacuuming. And if you are going to use mopping, at the time you have to use this tank.
Okay.
So basically, sir, it is a dust tank. So from here you can able to fill the water, and in this tank, sir, we need to fill at least drinking water only, like you might say RO water, and we don't have to use any kind of liquids or disinfectant agents, anything.
Okay.
Only plain water should be used, and it is a, sir, vibrating plate module, and then here it is mopping cloth. So if any cleaning required to clean this mopping cloth, then you can able to feel it. So it is Velcro. It will come.
Okay.
Then you can able to remove it, so that you can able to wash this mopping plate. And whenever you are going to use again, we need to attach this cloth again. Then we need to stick it properly, so then we can able to use this again for mopping. So basically, it is these are the tanks.
Okay. And here you need to fill the water
From here.
Okay.
From here. And also from there you can able to empty the water. After completing the mopping, if any water is left,
From here only?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. And this, when you are saying this dummy, right?
Yes, dummy tank.
This has no use, right? Nothing is there?
Nothing,
inside?
sir, nothing.
Okay. I see.
Yeah.
So on Y1 Pro only this was there. There was no dummy one.
No. Yes, sir. And sir, now we have to do mopping. Just try to install the application in your mobile, please. And the application name is Ecovacs Home. Where will it be, sir?
No, you can take it. Ecovacs.